Looking for a sleep solution that's portable, comfy, and space-saving? Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best foldable mattresses that can completely change the way you rest, whether it's for guests, travel, or even camping trips. I'll go over comfort, durability, and how easy they are to store, while also pointing out the pros and cons of each option. If you've been hunting for the perfect balance of convenience and support, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Overall best pick. Oli Sleep Tri-Folding Memory Foam Mattress. The Oli Sleep Tri-Folding Memory Foam Mattress is a great choice for both camping and guest use. The 4-inch gel memory foam offers excellent comfort and support, keeping you cool throughout the night. Its foldable design makes it easy to store and transport, which is especially handy for small spaces or travel. The washable cover is another plus, making it simple to keep clean. On the downside, the single size may feel a bit narrow for some adults, especially for long-term use. Overall, it's a practical, comfortable, and portable option for anyone needing a foldable mattress. Number 2. My second best pick. Best Choice Products 4 inches Portable Twin-Size Mattress. The Best Choice Products 4-inch Portable Twin-Size Mattress is a solid option for camping, guests, or even toddlers. The foam provides good comfort and support, making it much better than sleeping on an air mattress or the floor. Its tri-fold design and included carry case make it easy to transport and store, which is perfect for small spaces or travel. The gray cover also looks clean and modern. On the downside, it may feel a bit firm for those who prefer a softer sleep surface. Overall, it's a durable, practical, and space-saving foldable mattress that delivers good value. Number 3. My third best pick. Folding Mattress 4-inch Memory Foam Tri-Fold. This 4-inch memory foam folding mattress is a great option for guests, camping, or road trips. The memory foam layer offers noticeable comfort and support compared to thinner pads, and the breathable bamboo fiber cover helps keep it cool during sleep. Its tri-fold design makes it easy to fold away and store, while still being lightweight enough to carry around. The twin size works well for 1 adult or even 2 kids. The only drawback is that it may feel too firm for those who prefer a plush mattress. Overall, it's a practical and comfortable choice for temporary sleeping needs. Number 4. My fourth best pick. Mlily Tri-Fold Memory Foam Mattress. The Mlily Tri-Fold Memory Foam Mattress is a solid choice for travel, guests, or everyday flexibility. At 4 inches thick, it provides good support and comfort, especially compared to standard floor mats. The twin XL size gives extra length, making it ideal for taller sleepers. The washable, collapsible cover is a big plus for easy cleaning and maintenance. It folds up neatly for storage or transport, which is convenient for small spaces. The only downside is that it might feel a bit firm for those who prefer a softer mattress. Overall, it's a reliable and comfortable foldable option. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick. Memory Foam Camping Mattress. This 2.5-inch memory foam camping mattress is a great option for campers who want comfort without hauling bulky gear. The foam provides a good balance of support and softness, making it much more comfortable than sleeping directly on a cot or the ground. Its waterproof and non-slip bottom is a big plus, especially for outdoor use where surfaces can be uneven or damp. The roll-up design with a travel bag makes it portable and easy to pack. The only drawback is its narrow width, 24-inch, which may feel a bit tight for larger sleepers. Still, it's perfect for camping or car trips. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite foldable mattress? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.